Yes, yes, you needn't rub it in. One afternoon and you're a grandmaster. Mind you, you'll encounter far more capable opponents than me if you go looking. No, I don't think so. You asked me to teach you chess, and I've done that. It's a useful mental exercise. Through the years, many thinkers have been fascinated by it, but I don't enjoy playing. Do you know why not? Because it was a game that was born during a brutal age when life counted for little, and everyone believed that some people were worth more than others, kings and pawns. I don't think that anyone is worth more than anyone else. I don't envy you the decisions you're going to have to make. And one day I'll be gone, and you'll have no one to talk to. But if you remember nothing else, please remember this. Chess is just a game. Real people aren't pieces, and you can't assign more value to some of them than to others. Not to me, not to anyone. People are not a thing that you can sacrifice. The lesson is that anyone who looks on the world as if it was a game of chess deserves to lose.